Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is September 17, 2025, and we're diving into Cracker Barrel's fourth quarter and full year fiscal 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Cracker Barrel, known for its home-style food and unique retail offerings, has just released its latest earnings report. There's a lot to unpack, from revenue figures to strategic initiatives. So let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Cracker Barrel reported a total revenue of $868 million for the fourth quarter, which is a 2.9% decrease compared to the prior year. However, when adjusting for the 53rd week in the previous year, revenue actually increased by 4.4%. John, can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. The decrease in reported revenue is primarily due to the absence of the 53rd week that benefited the prior year. Adjusting for this, we see a healthy increase driven by a 5.4% rise in comparable store restaurant sales. However, the adjusted earnings per share of 74 cents fell slightly short of the forecasted 78 cents, as predicted by 4 analysts.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Cracker Barrel's adjusted EBITDA for the quarter was $55.7 million, showing an 8% increase when adjusted for the 53rd week. What factors contributed to this improvement, John?
The increase in adjusted EBITDA is largely due to strategic pricing and a favorable menu mix, alongside improved labor productivity. Looking ahead, Cracker Barrel has provided a revenue guidance of $3.35 billion to $3.45 billion for fiscal 2026, despite anticipating a decline in comparable store traffic.
Strategic initiatives and capital allocation. Cracker Barrel has been active in terms of capital allocation and strategic initiatives. Can you tell us more about their recent activities?
Certainly. In fiscal 2025, Cracker Barrel invested $158.6 million in capital expenditures, focusing on store maintenance and strategic initiatives. They also issued $345 million in convertible senior notes and announced a $100 million share repurchase program, indicating a strong focus on shareholder value.
CEO insights and company sentiment. CEO Julie Masino has been vocal about the company's direction. What insights did she share in the report?
Julie Masino emphasized the company's commitment to enhancing the guest experience, which has led to 5 consecutive quarters of comparable store sales increases. She also highlighted the decision to revert to the old-timer logo and pause on remodels, focusing instead on kitchen and service improvements.